Hello and welcome. My name is David oisamoje. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say thanks for clicking through. Yeah, my channel is all about creating designs that sell, designs that make you passive income from print on demand side. We're talking site like Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon, Society 6. So if you're interested in all these design tutorial designs, inspirational designs, which I do for you on my videos so that you can create something similar, post it on this print on demand site to make passive income for yourself, then this channel is your channel. This channel is a channel for you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. If your subscribe font is still in red, check that. Make sure you click it. Make sure it turns gray. I make a lot of videos. As you can see, I have about 140, should be more than that. Make a lot of videos on my channel. So you should see for yourself which one you like, which one you want to watch, and just watch that for yourself and enjoy yourself while you watch that. So I'm going to push through. This is my other channel. I'm going to go back to my channel to show you my own channel, this channel which we on. Just going to show you. As you can see, yeah, we actually have a lot of videos. So we have about 58 episodes already. So it's a lot. So I'm going to continue from that. I made a mistake in the numbering here. This is supposed to be 59 now, so we're going to correct that. So we're just going to go straight right into it and create something new. But I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers. Just 2 minutes ago, I want to really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. If you see your name on the screen, let me know down in the comments. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you guys. I don't want to waste you guys time. I just want to go straight right into it. So I'm just going to open canva.com and create this design for you guys. So please make sure you stick around. Don't click off of this video. It's going to be super short and it's going to be a unique design, a catchy design you're going to love. It sells. Yes, I've done my research and I know this design sells, so I'm just going to create something similar, easy to create, and I'm going to be using canva.com. If you stick around for a long period of time, stick around to about close to the end, I'm going to reveal to you how to get Canva Pro free on me. Yes, 30 days Canva Pro free on me, totally free on me for 30 days. Yes, I'm going to show you how to get that. So if that is something you're interested in, make sure you stick around. Don't click off of this video so that you don't miss that part. It's super unique. It's a gift from me to you for watching this video. So let's create one design today. So I'm going to click on custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Yes, this is the standard. So we're going to watch me create a unique design. Don't click off. Let's do this together. Let's make this work. Yes, I'm a playful person. You need to have a free mind. You need to be free when you create your designs. Just go around, create this design, clear-headed. Don't stress it. So for this one, we're going to start with elements. If you've watched my previous video, you know I love my elements. Yes, I really love them. For this one, we're going to search for this is something I want to use, so I'm just going to search for a fanciful one. Yes, this is a cool one. As you can see, it's pro, so if you stick around, I'm going to show you how to get yours. So let's see if I find another. Let me see if I find another, or just use that particular one. This is another cool one. It's another cool one, but it's free. I don't like to use free elements because most people would have used that in the past, and I don't want to use that for my designs. So I always try to go with something unique, something pro. You get the drill. So let's just keep going, find something. But I think that very first one is a cool one because it sits well with my concept, the concept I have in my head. So I'm just going to go back, pick that one and work with that. I'm just going to pick this one. Let's click on that. So now we have this. So we're just going to make it a little bit bigger. We want to make it bigger. So to do that, we'll move our cursor to this area, press down and left mouse click button and drag our mouse outward. If you drag it inwards, it's going to reduce it, so just drag it outwards, and we're going to position this just right in the middle like so. And now we're going to do what we call a font. So for this, I'll just go to text, come to font. As you can see, I'm going to pick a good font. I like to use pro fonts. Yes, Canva has pro fonts and free fonts, so it's your choice. Anyone you see with the crown, you know it's a pro font, so make sure you remember that when you go through your design. So just go through and pick one. Just go through and pick one. So I want something kind of bold. I can use for this one. This one is not bad. It's bold and it's not bad. So let's see what that owes. It's quite small, so I'm going to make that big. So this one is going to say my. So I'm just going to increase that, and I'm going to move it upwards. I'm going to move it upwards like so. So like so, you can see it. Okay, it fits well, and now I'm going to copy this and move it downwards. Or better still, I'll just move all down like so. Yes, perfect. Now I'm going to press my Alt key button. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to press my Alt key button, my left mouse key button, and just drag this downwards to duplicate it like so, just like that. Just going to duplicate it like that. So now this one is going to say chopstick. You get the drill. It's going to say chopsticks. So now I can just decide to break this. Or better still, just get this on a different layer. I'll cut that out of there. So I'm just left with that. So I'm just left with the chopstick. So now just move this a bit up like so. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer again, and I'm now going to just do my Alt key button, left mouse click button, and drag downwards like so. And now I'm just going to put in my sticks, as you can see. So now we have this all set up. I'll just position this in the middle like that, as you can see it. So it says my chopsticks. Yes, so it's a super cool design, not a complicated design. As you can see, this design is not complicated. It's a super easy design to make. Now the catch about this, if you want to get Canva Pro, I'm going to tell you why you need Canva Pro, but straight away I'm going to tell you how to get Canva Pro. Then just stick around that you know how to use it. If you want to get Canva Pro, the first link in the description, make sure you check the first link in the description, and you're going to get Canva Pro free on me for 30 days. Yes, you heard me right, Canva Pro free on me for 30 days. So make sure you check the first link in the description. If you've not gotten Canva Pro already from me free of charge for the first 30 days, make sure you check the first link. They're not going to take your money. You're going to surely get it free on me for 30 days. Yes, you're rest assured for that. Why do you need Canva Pro? If you're serious about print on demand, you want to get rid of your white background. You don't want your designs to have this white background or black background, because different folks have different color taste, and you don't want just one color taste in your design. You want different color taste in your design. So I always advise you to get Canva Pro. 2, you saw I use Pro Elements. If you're on the free version of Canva Pro, you definitely can use Pro Elements, and I would always advise you to use Pro Element and Pro Fonts for yourself. This is going to help you in the long run to stand out. So if you want to get that, make sure you check the first link in the description. Once it opens on a new tab, make sure you sign up immediately so that you get Canva Pro. So now I'm just going to hit download for you guys, and I'm going to click on this transparent background. That way it's going to, my design is going to save without the background. So I'm just going to hit on downloads for you guys, and you're going to see it for yourself. You're going to see what I'm telling you about and why you need Canva Pro. So let's wait for it to download, and now we can see the magic. So let's just click on this show folder. And now I want to show the folder. Once you click on it, as you can see, voila, we have our design, my chopstick. You get the drill, you get the feeling. You see it's unique, it stands out, it's without the background, and it took us just about 10 minutes to get this done. So if you're interested in watching more of my videos, make sure you check to your right. You see a playlist, make sure you watch that playlist, and I will definitely see you on my next upload. One love, I love you guys. You guys should stay safe. Thanks, and see you on the next one.